Welcome to Unicam. The program is designed to equip participants with the foundational knowledge and practical skills required to confidently operate drones. With no minimum packs, offers an exciting drone short course, designed to introduce participants to the world of drone technology. Through hands-on training sessions, participants will learn the basics of drone operation, flight control, and safety regulations. The package includes workshops led by experienced drone pilots, drone flying practice sessions, and discussions on drone laws and certifications. It's perfect for technology enthusiasts, aspiring drone pilots, and those interested in leveraging drone technology for personal or professional use.